Hey everyone, this is Kevin from Techhour with Kevin and Pat. I'm going to show you how to install the August Smart Lock Pro plus the Connect Wi-Fi module. This is the newest one that came out here. I'll give you a glimpse of it. I'm going to be using a drill, some duct tape. I'll show you what I'll use that for. So it comes with the lock and it's like a mechanism that you attach right to the door. That's what holds the August lock, and then there's the Wi-Fi module, and then there actually comes with the let's see here, it's the door sense. So what that does actually, it lets you know when the door is open and closed. You can also set up automations where once it senses the door is closed, it'll automatically lock. So we'll go ahead and get that set up. Hey guys, so I'm gonna get it set up here. I'll show you step by step. So first things first, I'm just gonna lock the door there. I'm going to get this existing deadbolt taken off. We'll go ahead and mount it. So I'll loosen it a little bit. Just the way I do things weirdly. And then the duct tape here. So I'm going to do the duct tape is I'm actually going to open this door here. I'm actually going to take the duct tape. And just a little trick I've learned. Let's see here. Yeah, so I'll take the duct tape. Again, it's just a little trick I've learned. And I'm just going to simply take this, just put it over, so that way it doesn't come off. That one's not gonna stick, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more. I mean, Gorilla Tape's usually ideal, but Selected is really all I have right now. Okay, cool. That's done. I'm going to just take this off. There's that. And that. There we go. Okay, so now goes the time for the mechanism here, the little bracket. So yeah, as I said, with the smart lock, just grab them here. You got 3 different colors of little adapters. So there is, I'll show you here. This is the flat, and then it comes with different type of flat, and then the one that I'm going to be using here. So it's kind of like a, circle of sorts. So as you can tell, that'll just go over there, just like that. So I'm going to start by lining this up here. Sorry, wrong way. Yeah, so we're locking that right there. It should be ideal. Okay, and we're just going to reuse the existing bolt. Let's see here. One there, and then just one just up there. There we go. Okay, perfect. There we go. So now, as I said, this is going to be a little adapter. It'll twist back and forth, and it'll unlock and lock the door. Okay, so with the August Smart Lock here, you will see, I'm not really sure if you're able to see that, but there's little grooves on the sides, matching the little grooves on the side of this. So make sure that that does line up. And there actually is a longer side, so I tend to use the longer side with that. So if you flip these little switches up, so there's going to be around the corners here, there's going to be 1 and then 2, just so. Okay, perfect. And then we will line this up just like that. Okay, so now with the Wi-Fi Connect module, we tend to keep it within 10 feet of the lock. So the lock's gonna be right here. So I'm actually going to twist around here. So I'm actually gonna plug it in right down here. Should put that in. Yeah, so it's gonna be plugged in right down there. Just so that way, you know, there's no interference. It is a Wi-Fi module, so it is a bit more reliable. So I'm gonna get you guys, I want to show you guys the process on how to install this and how to set it up on the app. There we go. So that is all set up there. There shouldn't be any lights on at the moment. So now that is Wi-Fi. So essentially, here, I'll go here. So this lock here is Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi. So it'll actually use the most reliable connection. So currently, since I'm close to it, it's Bluetooth. Let's say I go out somewhere, go to the store, it automatically switches over to Bluetooth. So now, as you can see, I can unlock it. There we go. Let's wait a few seconds here, and then I will log it. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so this is the iOS app for August Smart Lock. So we're gonna click on Setup Connect. It'll set up the Wi-Fi device. And we did everything here as I showed you before. You held the button for 5 seconds, it'll blink, flash green and stuff. So it should guide you through these steps. And it is fairly informative, so it'll guide you through most of these things. So we're gonna connect this to Wi-Fi. So let's see here, I'm just gonna try to connect to my 5G. I'm just gonna choose a different network here. Let's see here, and it could take a little while here. I did cut this down, but it could take a minute or two to actually find the network. Go, now it's gonna wait for the bridge to come online. And then once it does this, it's gonna bring you through some testing steps. And go. So here's the testing. So it'll test your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth connection, make sure everything's good to go. See here, good to go. Perfect, and that's how you do that. Okay guys, so that is the Wi-Fi Connect. And now I'm gonna show you how to set up the August Smart Lock in the app. So let's get to it. Here, so the Smart Lock is essentially the same as the Connect. I'm going to show you all the different locks here. Choose the version that you have. Set up the Smart Lock. And I'm not going to go through this whole thing because mine's already currently set up. Here's DoorSense. I did not install my DoorSense. I'm going to get proper screws and whatnot and make sure it's all set up properly. But essentially here, I'll continue here in video. Hey guys, so with that August Smart Lock install on the app, it'll essentially bring you through that. It brings you to the DoorSense, and then once it connects to the app, it'll connect through Bluetooth. It'll ask you to calibrate the lock. So it'll have to unlock, you push the button on the app, lock it, push the button on the app, and then it'll kind of pair up and set up in that way. DoorSense is pretty cool actually as well. So what it is, it's like a little magnet that senses when the door is ajar. So if you leave the door open by accident, it'll tell you, hey, the door's open, go close it. It also, as soon as you close your door, it'll actually lock the door automatically behind you. So you make sure that that door's locked properly. So all in all, this product's pretty cool. I do highly recommend it. I mean, I've been using it for a day or so. But yeah, no, I definitely do recommend it. So thanks for watching, and tune in to the next one. Catch you guys later. See ya.